Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Today we are going to talk about the COVID-19 vaccination. First of all, we look about the introduction of the COVID-19 vaccination. Nowadays, many type of COVID vaccine available against the coronavirus. Each vaccine has its own advantage and drawback. Looking at the severity and mortality due to COVID-19 infection, everyone must have to take COVID-19 vaccine. This is about the introduction, and these are the COVID-19 vaccines. Now we look about the which types of vaccine available in India, in USA, and in entire world. There is actually main five groups of vaccine available in entire world. The first group is the mRNA vaccine. The second major group is the vector-based vaccine. The third major group is inactivated virus vaccine. Fourth is the protein subunit vaccine, and fifth is a nasal spray vaccine, which is under trial. Now, step by step, we are looking the each vaccine in detail. The mRNA vaccine, vector-based vaccine, inactivated virus vaccine, protein subunit vaccine, and nasal spray vaccine. Okay. First about the mRNA vaccine. First we'll look about the mRNA vaccine. mRNA vaccine includes the Moderna vaccine and the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine. Two vaccines are included under the heading of the mRNA vaccine. The second major group is the vector-based vaccine. Vector-based vaccine include Covishield vaccine, Sputnik vaccine, and Johnson & Johnson. Third major group is inactivated virus vaccine, which include Covaxin, Sinovac, and Sinopharm. Fourth major group is protein subunit vaccine, which includes Novavax vaccine, Chinese AOS vaccine, and fifth major group is the nasal spray vaccine, which is under trial, which is given through the nasal spray, but not that much successful as of now. More advanced research in this particular vaccine. Okay, this is the five major group, and under each vaccine, which vaccines are included: mRNA vaccine, which includes the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccine; vector-based vaccine, which includes the Covishield vaccine, Sputnik vaccine, Johnson and Johnson vaccine. Third is the inactivated virus vaccine, which includes the Covaxin. The proteins. The next is the protein subunit vaccine, which include the Novavax. The fifth is the nasal spray vaccine. This is the five major group of vaccine under which each vaccine are the sub vaccines are included. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the important vaccines which are available in India and in the USA, and certain Russian based vaccine. Okay. First of all, we look about the most important vaccine, which is the Covishield vaccine. Okay. Covishield vaccine. Covishield is a vector based vaccine. Covishield is comes under the vector based vaccine. The what vector is using? They are using the adenovirus as a vector. Genome of adenovirus. What? How this vaccine acts? What is the mechanism of action of this Covishield vaccine? The genome of the adenovirus is engineered with the COVID genome and targeted for the spike protein. Okay, now we are looking for the mechanism. Suppose this is the adenovirus and this is the COVID virus with the spike protein. Okay, this is the genome of the adenovirus. Now what we are doing? We are doing we are engineering the spike protein genome of the COVID virus with the adenovirus. Okay, 1 second. Okay, what we are doing? This is the adenovirus, and this is the this is the COVID virus. Okay, and this is the spike protein. What we are doing? We are doing the engineering of the spike protein genome along with the adenovirus. This is the adenovirus. This is the genome of the adenovirus, and what we already did, we did the spike protein genome of the COVID virus is engineered with the adenovirus. Now this is the known as the vector based. This engineered adenovirus is injected into the body as a vaccine. Okay. This adenovirus, which is engineered with the spike protein genome of the COVID virus, is injected into the human body. What it do? It stimulate the immune response of the body without active disease. It does not produce active disease. Look at this point. The vaccine never produces the active disease in human body. How it reacts? It reacts via the T cell and B cell mediated immune response inside the human body. The T cell, which produce the memory cell, T cell, memory cell, T memory cell, and B cell. The both are produce the humoral response, humoral immunity, which responsible for the if patient is attacked with the future in future with the COVID infection, then these memory cell are provides the better immunity. Memory of this immune response is helpful during the future active infection. Okay, this is about the Covishield vaccine. Now, what is the dose? What is the site? What is the route? What is the interval? What is the efficacy of this vaccine? The dose is 0.5 ml. The site is the deltoid muscle. The route is intramuscular. It is given at the two dose with the 4 to 12 week apart. The government nowadays telling as the interval increases, the efficacy and the longevity of the immunity is increasing. The efficacy is 91% as per the trial in the USA. Okay, this is about the efficacy. But in India, the Covishield vaccine is under phase 3 trial as of now when I am recording this video. Okay. Now, what about the efficacy is 91%. What about the storage and the transport? The Covishield vaccine store and transport at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade temperature. This is the most important, because if you are not maintaining the temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, then the efficacy and the effectivity of the vaccine is lost. So the proper cold chain is required during transportation. And the most important thing is, once the vial is opened, after the opening of the vial, it should be used within a 6 hour. It should be used within a 6 hour. Now, what is the cold chain? Cold chain means the transport of the vaccine from the site of manufacture to the site of vaccination. This is known as a cold chain. Okay. From the site of manufacture to the site of vaccination. The transport from the A to B is known as a cold chain. Okay, we have to maintain the temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade between the site of manufacture to the site of vaccination. Okay, now this is all about the Covishield vaccine.